Mr. Nadupura, be careful when you are talking my court. You have seen me in Chandigarh, you have seen me in Delhi.
सावधान, मेरी कोर्ट में बोलने से पहले 100 बार सोचें। ये सख्त शब्द थे देश के मुख्य न्यायाधीश CJI सूर्यकांत के। आखिर देश की सबसे बड़ी अदालत में ऐसा क्या हुआ कि जज साहब को इतना गुस्सा आ गया? पूरा मामला आज यानी 23 फरवरी का है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में वकील मैथ्यूज नेदुमपुरा अपनी एक याचिका पर जल्द सुनवाई की मांग कर रहे थे। उनकी याचिका जजों की नियुक्ति की प्रक्रिया को लेकर थी, लेकिन जब उन्हें लगा कि उनकी बात नहीं सुनी जा रही है तो उन्होंने एक ऐसी तुलना कर दी जिसे सुनकर कोर्ट का पारा 7वें आसमान पर पहुंच गया। आइए जानते हैं और वो वीडियो देखते हैं ऐसा क्या हुआ आज माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में।
With your lordship's most gracious permission, my lord. NJSC matter which your lordships I mentioned before on 24th.
So like, all.
No, my lord, now your lordship finds the registry has not even scrutinized so far, my lord. Now, my lord,
There is no such matter. Don't try to create it.
no, my lord, now the constitutional benches are created for Adani, Ambani and all these things, my lord. And it affects the cost normal working.
All right.
And these are all issues which is,
Lordship
my
of-
lord, unlike Ambani,
Bail
these are issues affecting the public at large. We are all concerned.
A notice.
My lord, Ambani for
Notice has-
constitutional bench and their court will be struck down, my lord.
Mr. Nadupura, be careful when you are talking my court. You have seen me in Chandigarh, you have seen me in Delhi. I am just putting a word of warning to you. Be careful under times
No,
when
no.
you speak in my court.
My lord, NJSC case, my lord, I am only.
Don't think that you have been misbehaving with the past that you will be able to do with me.
No, my lord, did I say anything? No, I am only asking for a list.
I am just warning you. That's all. Yes.
No, my lord, I only talk about MJSC case. That has
Before that, you will understand at least my how to act in my court.
that alone I say.
Your lordship notice has been issued, and despite the proof of service has been filed from our side.
अरे ये mentioning फिर mentioning start हो गया.
Not
What is the problem?
not one urgent matter.
If you have anything to mention, please give to the registrar and he will discuss with me. We will examine.
Sir, I've been
Not one urgent matter was there.
I've been to registrar. He told
We
me.
will take up if there is an urgency. We will take up that.
Your lordships asked us to file an affidavit, WhatsApp to file an affidavit, which we have done, Maharaj, a detailed affidavit, which I'll go through presently, Maharaj.
There is no affidavit.
I'm sorry? No. We have filed an affidavit saying this is what we do, this is what we don't do, so that your lordships had an impression that we are sharing data with others on WhatsApp, which is not quite correct, Maharaj, but I will just...
WhatsApp, you have hundreds of other means and mechanisms.
We don't, Maharaj. We've set it out an affidavit that can be taken as our undertaking. There's no question, Maharaj, of our violating, Maharaj, any law, no question. But, Maharaj, before I do that, I just want to tell your lordships that there were two appeals. 301 and 302 was our appeal against the NCLAT order, in which the NCLAT had given certain directions. Maharaj, we filed an appeal for stay of those directions. But, Maharaj, we are complying with those directions. So, as far as that appeal is concerned, we are complying. By 16th March, we'll fully comply. So, Maharaj, as far as that appeal is concerned, we seek no relief. Now, what is left is their appeal, that is 37. In their appeal, 1 second. 37, Maharaj, is their appeal saying that you ban advertisements on WhatsApp for the next 5 years. That was rejected by NCLAT. So, therefore, Maharaj,
That's why they are in appeal.
that's their appeal. As an interim order, they want that ban to be imposed, Maharaj. Those are the two things, Maharaj, I just wanted to mention. Now, I'll read the affidavit to show to your lordships, Maharaj, what we do, so that your lordships are clear on the technology.
If you are complying with the directions by the NCLAT, as you are saying,
Yes.
and maybe that you are doing by a
Yes.
particular timeline, then that affidavit you are supposed to file in your appeal, which you don't want to press now.
Now, I don't want to press the appeal because we are complying with the directions. Not the IA, Maharaj, I mean the IA. The appeal will be heard, Maharaj, whenever your lordship
That's
hears.
not challenging the findings.
Yes, but that's in the main appeal, Maharaj. At the moment for the IA, I have complied with the directions. So, Maharaj, there's nothing left as far as my IA is concerned. 1 second. Appeal in any case has to be decided
Supposed to comply with the
by 16th March. That's the direction, Maharaj. That's the direction of NCLAT. We are complying with it. By 16th March, we would have complied with it.
Very well. No, no, I'll just-
1 second.
on this very direction, I just wanted to make one point, my lords, that just to clarify that what they are going to comply with is the Honorable NCLAT's clarified direction.
That's correct.
Because that, my lords, that aspect includes both advertising and non-advertising related.
That's right. She's absolutely right.
Is as clarified on 16 December 25.
That's correct. That's absolutely right. So, Maharaj, we were wanting a stay of those directions, which you don't want. We are complying, Maharaj.
what you want to do is without prejudice to the appeal,
Correct.
you wish to comply with
Yes.
16th of March.
And we would have complied by 16th March. So therefore, as far as my appeal is concerned, there's nothing more to be done. As far as on the intent, well, obviously.
No, your appeal or
IA, as far as they are concerned, they are seeking an interim order.
appeal here.
Yeah, so that's on the substantive part, You can't get an interim order, allowing the appeal without hearing the appeal. So, now, if your lordship wants, I'll tell you,
Just a minute. What was the number of your IA, Mr. Sibal?
301 and 302. Appeal number 301 and 302.
You are not pressing now IA, not
IA.
appeal. You are. We hope that appeal you want.
16678. 1678. 16678. We are not pressing that, because we are complying with the interim directions.
WhatsApp is 205.
And WhatsApp is 20.
The Sibal has clarified that it's a
20516.
First of all, IA number 16678/2026. And who is the applicant in 20516?
WhatsApp.
So both will be have the same fate then.
Yes. Meta and WhatsApp.
IA 20516/2026.
Yes.
These applications essentially seek a direction, seek a stay of the impugned judgment of the inclat to the extent it contains,
Direction.
to the extent it approves the directions issued by Competition Commission of India, directing Meta to comply with the remedies, to comply with the directions contained in CCI's order.
NCLAT, directions
By
by
NCLAT.
Malad, the NCLAT's directions passed, Malads, on 15th December.
15th December.
5.
Saying comply with directions in paragraph 247.2 and 247.21 and 247.22.
Sixth day of the impugned directions contained in the inclat's order dated 15th December
Correct.
2025, containing certain directions issued to Meta.
That's correct.
It is stated by Sri Kapil, Sibal and Senior Counsel for the appellant,
WhatsApp.
thus applicant, that since the appellants have decided to implement and comply with the directions issued by INCLAT, bracket CCI,
Yes.
CCI,
At the instance of
For which-
CCI.
they will do the needful by 16th of
March.
March 2026, comma, who does not want to press these applications.
Yes, yes.
for interim
Subject to our rights in the appeal.
stay. Both the applications are accordingly dismissed as not pressed for, however, without prejudice to the issues in the main appeal.
Correct.
In the main appeal.
Now, but yet, I would since, yeah.
The appellant shall file a compliance affidavit, above stated compliance affidavit,
With the CCI.
in visit after 16th,
NCLAT has directed us to file a compliance report with CCI.
shall submit a
So we'll do that.
compliance report to CCI
Yes,
as directed by INCLAT.
that's correct. Now, I still like, because your lordships has some thought that, that we are sharing things, but that's not correct. So I'll read, if your lordships want, I'll read the entire affidavit to your lordship.
That's
But
correct.
that, yes.
Madam, you are presenting CCI.
Not CCI. Ours is also a separate appeal.
Meanwhile, the affidavit filed by the appellants in bracket WhatsApp and Meta platforms, read their privacy policy may be examined by CCI and the response there to be placed on record. Next one. What is your IA number?
21053 of 26.
21053. 1053 of 26.
IA number so and so. Issue notice. Then who is assisting? Accept notice.
Who will accept notice?
Reply affidavit.
Shashank,
Reply affidavit will be filed within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Post this matter. All matters after 16th March on so and so date at 2 p.m. We'll hear you and then only
Absolutely.
consider it.
No doubt.
Now, who has filed this application for intervention? Baju, Paul, Matthews? How can we entertain? So,
That has been allowed on the last.
It's been allowed, I believe,
some application is by some
Maybe something.
44884.
We're not aware, we're not aware.
Someone sought to appear in person. Is there anyone appearing?
Your Honor,
Mr. Matthew, you can't file application in this case. Whatever remedy you have, you avail your remedy. You have nothing to do with this case.
Your Honor, I am representing myself as a customer and
You have your remedy, you avail your remedies. These are nothing. These are Competition Commission of India versus these people. You are not absolutely stranger to these proceedings.
I will explain my.
There is no ground to entertain this application. The same is accordingly dismissed. The applicant, however, shall be at liberty to avail his remedy in accordance with law. In accordance with law. So we'll take up on after 14.
This can give us 4 weeks instead of 3 if your lordship don't mind. Yes, obliged. All right, either way.
I understand your lordships have fixed the main hearing, my lords, on the 19th of April is my instructions.
No appeal.
Yes.
Much better, my lords, we all take it up together.
Because
19th April may not be because of now CV.
My lords, I understand that. My lord, therefore, my lords, we do want to give your lordships a little bit of a picture on what the importance of that paragraph 247.1 is concerned. Because there is, my lords, clearly sharing of data that we will, my lords, show your lordships.
So that's why we want to
Yes.
get that application.
So, my lords, at that stage, your lordships may hear us because by this, it won't be enough by
On
itself.
your interim relief issue, we will hear.
Yes.
And
That's all we want.
whatever order we pass, we'll pass an order.
Very well.
In case we may not be able to hear on 19th.
I follow. Therefore, the importance of the interim arrangement.
That's fine, my lords, we are ready to argue at any stage.
Some date for the interim issue. Why shall matter together? We will notify date
Well,
after 4 weeks.
Deeply
Obliged,
obliged.
ma'am.
But before, this will be definitely before 19th April.
Yes.
A date before 19th April, but
Sorry.
when case we may not be able to take on 19th
Fair
April,
enough.
whatever date, but both parties will mutually agree, then we'll list it.
Fair enough. Grateful.
15th April is what I'm sorry.
The date for lordship at earlier fixed was 15th of April, not 19th.
See, problem is that now we have to
CB, no, we understand.
Now your lordships are fixed, 9 judge benches will have.
stay matter before that. Just find out the date. We'll notify the date.
Fair. Just one fact I want to tell you, Lord. Now Parliament has passed a law, Manoj. In terms of that law, we have to comply with the law by 2027, March, under the DPDP Act. And Manoj, all this is covered under the law itself.
Lord, we
So
will,
that we will argue, Manoj. Later, I just wanted to mention this to you. Lord.
Lord, they have to comply with that law where it stands. We have a competition law concern and we will.
Now, that's the point. They say override the law. There's a competition law,
No,
therefore
my lord,
override the
this is
legislation.
Very different issue.
Of Parliament.
Talking of the market, so that data sharing has many facets. One may be privacy and data protection, but there is another aspect.
That's all covered by the Act.
It's protecting the market and the consumer, which stands on a totally different footing.
find.
So, my lord, we'll address your lordships on that and why 247.1 is very important. Perhaps that has not been, my lord, properly appreciated by the honorable MP.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship,
Right.